ka negrem sak si baar klayo shushu sa arngot kinong tre jongka kibalayo yo COVID-19 ki te kinthop ya arngot kinos bat iwei inong tre jongka te ka jaka ajik sumar ka pawnam kabodan haganong ba shlong habakran bot director ka negrems ulai thu ba yakte ki geo positive jongkite kinong tre kalapan pau henne ka janmir hadien biklayo ekake phot bala test yaki.
They were actually originally in that COVID ward, that containment zone. So they were classified as high risk, and they were in quarantine.
Okay.
Now, initially the test was at that point was negative expected. So now, when the test has been repeated, so it is found positive. So they have been put in isolation. It was in late afternoon, about 3:34. It was informed to me by the medical superintendent at that time. Yeah. 3 active cases, and they are in isolation. No, they were already in the containment zone, so there is no other contact, because from the containment zone they went into quarantine.